Please get ready for a dictation of transcription number 112 from Sir Kailash Chandra magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I give my support to the bill. The bill carries out one of the major recommendations of the Bhor Committee on Health Survey and Development, of which I was a member. Now, one of the objects of this will be to provide an All India Institute for the advancement of medical knowledge and the training of medical personnel. It will provide refresher courses for the physicians working in our towns and villages. It will provide, I take it, facilities for higher instruction in modern medicine. I think the health minister, if I may say so with respect, was a little far too apologetic in defense of modern medicine. We do not stand today where we did 4,000 years back, when our ancestors had creative minds and did a very great deal in the world of medicine. The world has moved far ahead during those 4,000 years, and if you want to benefit by medicine or by the facilities which medical science offers, you must be prepared to go to doctors who have knowledge of physiology, bacteriology, pathology, and who can perform the various tests which are necessary in order to diagnose diseases. There is a very great deal that can be done by way of research. Now, I should have liked some more light to be thrown on the organizational side of the institute. One of the questions which we had to consider was whether this institute should not be affiliated to the Delhi University or to any other university for that matter. We came to the conclusion that it should serve, it should function as an autonomous institution having more or less the status of university. But I do not on reflection like this: segregation in education, the tendency to have special institutes and call them by the name of universities, or to devolve on them the functions of a university, has, I am afraid, been carried a little too far in this country. We have an engineering university, and we have, I suppose, a technological institute. Should they call themselves universities? Now, a university is a place where knowledge is integrated. Stop.